And just to let you know, because of before I sing a song, I had to research this song. As a lawyer, I don't want to go and sing something without knowing what it is. And it's a lot of Urdu in the song, which I am not at all familiar with. But I had to go look up the translation, and it's a really beautiful song. It sounds like a lullaby, so totally different from Svetlana's number. So if half of the people fall asleep, then I think I did a good job. This is Mohammad Rafi singing for Dharmendra, and it so happens in this movie Dharmendra replaced Guru Dutt, who committed suicide before the movie was completed. So it was a last minute replacement. But he's singing to Tanuja and Malasena, and you don't know for sure who is he referring to in the song. That's the whole thing. The two sisters, one of them is the main, and the other is a backup. I think he likes to keep both of them hanging. So let's go with the song. आपके हसीन रुख पे आज नया नूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है। आपके हसीन रुख पे आज नया नूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है। आपकी निगाह ने कहा तो कुछ जरूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है। खुली लटों की छाँव में we